First story in News and Views.
Woman sets malfunctioning vending machine on fire.
Welcome to the drinking experience. For desired drink, select your choice after inserting cash.
Mr. No. Mitzi, what you want from the machine? What I Mitzi, let me sort it out. I'm say them have boom, them have Sprite, them have water, them, what is? Mitzi, come here, you know that name here?
We are awaiting. For desired drink, kindly press your choice after inserting.
I want that dirty machine right now, wait, let me see, yeah. And then, okay, let me see. Mr. Tottenham, what you want? Coca-Cola?
Select your Coca-Cola. You have selected Coca-Cola.
Alright, hold on the machine, make a rush, sir. Bigger.
You have also selected bigger. Kindly insert $200 for both drinks.
Mitzi, have change, time and have none, no. Thank you, my friend.
The machine is waiting.
I wanted that dirty machine. Me tell it bad things in it. Can't wait. It go like it thirsty more than we.
Dirty like your father.
What the? No, man. What?
Here is your bigger. You did not order a Coca-Cola.
So this a machine I tell me about Coca-Cola. No, me can't see no Coca-Cola.
Here is look to the base of the machine.
Hold on, that medicine. Hold on.
Woman, why are you kicking me? You want me?
Look how long I put in my money and the Coca-Cola. Now come out. What do that dirty machine I do? I wonder if it knows that Jamaica me come from and not really nice. That's why I not use them something. I like my igloo on the roadside, you know. Because when you go igloo not talk to you, you just take out what you take out and pay. Dirty machine Lego me juice.
No wonder
dirty machine me say Lego me juice.
No wonder Mugabe.
You know say I go on till it go on till me just do something very detrimental.
Hey, gal, draw me out and see what I got.
I wanted that dirty machine. I wonder if it want me get instrument. Which what the word we just used a while ago.
You have no manners. I kick me, I go kick you in your face.
I wanted that dirty machine, man.
Dirty like your papa.
Mister, lend me a lighter then, mister. Lend me a lighter then.
Hey, gal, hunt me down and see what
I bet you're going to start out your sorrows to the dirty machine. I bet you're going to end up take the juice when you're out your body, you're out of the stink and bright dirty machine. That's why I can't come out with Jamaica. I can't take you back. I don't want it. All this and your nastiness.
There is no refund.
Mister, run, Mister,
you
run.
Cannot.
Mister, run.
Fire.
Burn up nastiness.
Fire.
Burn up and
Smaddy, I burn me down. Me that on fire. Fire. Aye, it's hot. Me I burn up. Kiss me neck. Me juice them. I burn up too. Fire.